Hi, it's Meme Kates again, and I have another story for you. This year has been really hard with the pandemic, and I just want all of you to know that even though you may feel sometimes you're not loved, your parents love you a lot, and so do other people. And this particular book is called I Love You Because You're You. It's by Liza Baker. I love you because you're you. Oh, look, I love these pictures. I love you when you're happy and grinning ear to ear. Look at him grinning. And I love you when you're sleepy and want to snuggle near. I love you when you're silly and dancing round and round. And I love you when you're frightened and you hear a scary sound. I love you when you're bashful and hide behind my knees. Look at there. There he is. He's hiding over here behind Mama's knees. Do you ever get bashful and hide behind somebody's knees? I think so. I love you when you're brave and from my arms you flee. Uh-oh, he's walking on the railing. He better be careful. I love you when you're curious and searching here and there. And I love you when you're proud, your head held high in the air. I love you when you're sick and need to rest in bed. I love you when you're frisky and standing on your head. Standing on his head there. I love you when you're sad and need a kiss and a hug. And I love you when you're playful and rolling on the rug. I love you when you're angry and cross your arms and pout. And I love you when you're wild and yell and scream and shout. I love you any way you feel, no matter what you do. I love you any way you are. I love you because you're you. Have you told the people that you love them today? Maybe you should. If you like this video, please subscribe below or hit like, and I'll be making more videos for you shortly. Bye, Cameron.